Hey guys, so welcome to Behind the Recipe. We just made these delicious vegetable spring rolls and we're gonna taste them. So, we have this chili garlic sauce, which is pretty spicy. And when we finished cooking, I realized it's probably gonna be a little spicy for Parker. So I'm just gonna show you a very quick alternative to that spicy dipping sauce. I have a little bit of fresh squeezed orange juice in my glass. I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons of fresh orange juice. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and a tablespoon of soy sauce. So I'm making like an orange ponzu sauce. What?
I thought you were going to drink the orange juice.
I am gonna drink it, but this is
great.
for you.
What a beautiful sauce.
Okay, so now let me show you how we set this up. So you take a leaf, and then I'd like to put a piece of, or a couple pieces of mint in there, a couple pieces of basil, and then we put a spring roll, and you wrap it up, and then you dip it in your sauce. Here you go, Parks, that's for you, and I'll make one for me. So I'm gonna put a little bit, again, some mint, and just lay that down, and a little bit of basil. And if you don't like mint, don't put it in. If you don't like basil, don't put it in. If you wanna put some scallions in there, that's cool too. Okay, so I'm gonna put my spring roll in there, and I'm gonna go in the chili sauce.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? So let's each take a bite at the same time.
Okay, I'm moving.
Ready?
Yep. Delicious.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
I love it. As anyone who's been watching this knows, I'm not a foodie at all. Mm-hmm. Which is why she has all these funny stories about me knowing nothing about food.
Yeah.
But I know when I taste something that it just is wow and
It's really good.
amazing and wonderful. That's incredible.
It's so good. This is something like if they had it on a restaurant menu, I always order this. I love it, especially in the lettuce wraps. It just makes it really clean and kind of healthy feeling. And it's crispy and crunchy, and it kind of, it's sweet and it's sour and it's spicy and it's crunchy, and it just gets all your senses all over the place.
Do you do these for catering often?
All the time.
Oh.
But it's easy to pick up with your hand.
It's so nice with the mint. I never would have thought of that.
Mm-hmm. And you want to try this spicy sauce and see if you like
Is
it?
it super spicy or not too bad?
Just do like a little dab.
Okay. I'm going to give it a try. You get to see me run. Take off running. Ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee. And I wanted to tell you guys, so I wrapped up these extra spring rolls. I rolled them up off camera. So altogether, that recipe made 9 spring rolls. We probably could have stretched it to 10. So we're gonna have 5 for our freezer, which is great.
Okay, that's incredibly good. It's spicy.
Too spicy for you.
A little bit, but
So-
it's so good that I just did it again.
So you're glad I made the alternative sauce. Yeah.
I am, but I'm also really glad that I tasted that.
Yeah, because that, that spiciness, that chili really wakes up your senses. Your eyes, your nose, your mouth, it really wakes it up. But we don't want to overpower the flavor of everything if it's too spicy for you.
Wow.
And it's nice to have 2 dipping sauces. Why
Oh,
not?
This is fun food.
This is really fun food.
You've never made this before. You've never made this, right? For me? I think so. You've been making a lot of things that I've never seen before. Really. And they don't seem like they're super complicated. It's just things that we haven't been eating.
All right, guys.
Wow.
I think we're going to continue to eat
So
these.
good.
They're so good. Come back again. Thanks for hanging with us. And you know what? You can do this. You can do it. Cook with us.
Oh, these are really fun.
We'll see you soon. Bye.
And